Hello dear students. In the previous lecture, we have studied about measuring distances or lengths, right? Where length is a fundamental physical quantity. Today, we are going to discuss about a very beautiful physical quantity, that is area, which is a derived physical quantity. So let us see how to find the area for different objects, right? Generally, we have objects of different kinds, regular shapes and irregular shapes. Regular shape object means a square, a rectangle, triangle, circle, like these objects. Whereas irregular shape objects means a randomly torn piece of paper, a leaf, a cloth piece, like that. So as to find the area of regular objects, we have different formulae, and you are going to learn those formulae in your mathematics chapter. So as to find the irregular shape objects, we have to use a graphical method. We have to use a graph. By using that graph, we can measure the area of any irregular shaped object. So today our topic is to find the area of different shapes, and let us go into it. First of all, let us see what is area. Length means we have studied it has only one dimension, like this or like this. If I take this piece of paper occupying some space like this in the two dimension, okay, the space occupied by this two-dimensional body is known as its area. If we take this board, it had occupied some surface along the wall. So this everything is known as its area. Here you can see the wall. Generally we paint a wall. So the space on which you are going to paint the wall, that entire space is called as its area. So what is our area? The entire surface occupied by any object is known as its area. So this surface is called as its the painted portion on the wall is its area. Generally we see the floor tiles. So wherever the tiles are fitted, the surface is called as its area. So the surface is known as its area. The surface occupied by an object is called as its area. Got it? So area is a derived physical quantity. For time being, let me explain formula of few regular shaped objects. If we take a rectangle like this, you can see this is a rectangle. It has a length and breadth. So the length and breadth. So the product of length and breadth gives us the area of this rectangle. If I take a square, the four sides are equal, A into A. So here also, if I treat it as a length, if I treat it as a breadth, so this is side 1 and side 2. So the product of A and A is our area. If I take a triangle, it is half into base into height. If I take a circle, it is pi r square. In our mathematics lecture, math teacher will give you clear explanation about the formula. Here our aim is to just learn what is area. So what is our area? The surface occupied by an object is called as our area. Now let us see a small conversion of area from SI system to CGS system. How does it work? For example, if this is 2 meters length and this is 1 meter length, what is its area? Area of this rectangle is equal to 2 meters into 1 meter, that is equal to 2 meters square. This is the value in SI system. How to convert this into CGS system? Area in CGS system is given by 2 meters means how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters into 1 meter means again 100 centimeters. That is equal to how much? 2 into 100 into 100 is nothing but 10 to the power of 4 centimeter square. So 1 meter square equal to how much? 10 to the power of 4 centimeter square. That's all. So this is how we can simply convert the areas from SI to CGS, or even you can convert from CGS to SI, or any one system to another system. Is it clear? If the area is larger, the fields, they measure the area in terms of hectares. What is a hectare? If the side of a field is 100 meters, then the area of such field is called as 1 hectare. If length of one side is 100 meters, then area of such a square shaped field is 1 hectare. So if it is 100 meters and this is 100 meters, means what is its area? Area is equal to 100 meters into 100 meters, that is equal to 10 to the power of 4 meters square, which is called as our hectare. So 1 meter square land is equal to 1 by 10 to the power of 4 hectares, or 10 to the power of 4 meter square surface area is equal to 1 hectare. Is it clear? Now let us try to find the area of a leaf by using our graph sheet. Generally we have to take a graph sheet and we have to place the leaf on the graph sheet, and then we have to mark along the leaf. So we have to mark along the leaf. After marking, we have to remove the leaf and we have to count the number of complete boxes and number of incomplete square boxes. So then area of the leaf will be equal to sum of number of complete boxes plus half of the number of incomplete boxes. So it approximately gives us the area of a leaf or any irregular shaped object. So do this activity, take a graph sheet and take one leaf from your nearest tree, put the leaf on the graph paper and do the activity. Okay, the worksheet is very easy, you try it. The answers are very easier answers. So as it is easier worksheet, I may not solve the worksheet, you do it yourself. In the next lecture, let us discuss about volume.